Next, I'm going to be talking about the corticobulbar tract. Its job is to control involuntary movement of the head and neck muscles, and it involves cranial nerves 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, and 12. It has alpha motor neurons traveling from the primary motor cortex, premotor area, and primary sensory cortex. It has every parasympathetic nerve except for the first two. Each motor nucleus receives redundant commands for one action, and every single one except two is completely bilateral, which basically means one side of the brain provides signals to both the ipsilateral and contralateral nuclei simultaneously. You need it to survive, and an example is the eyes moving together. Two of them, however, have contralateral innervations, which are the hypoglossal nerve and the facial nerve. These innervations are more susceptible to lesions or stroke. This pathway is responsible for innervating all lower motor neurons necessary for things such as voice production, speech articulation, facial expression, chewing, feeding, swallowing. These axons emerge from the cortex, enter the white matter of the corona radiata, and then progress uninterrupted through the posterior limb of the internal capsule and into the midbrain.